Hi everyone, I'm Luis at Micron Smart Vending. Today I'm in our factory and I'm going to show you some new models behind me. These are 2-in-1 combo vending machine. On top of the machine, there's a light box. Now let me show you some more details about this machine. It goes with a 22-inch touch screen, bill acceptor, card reader, this is coin changer, and this is specially developed for Philippine market, which allow you to top up your transportation card and buy products from the machine by using your transportation card from here. And this is a hot water collector. When you buy products from the machine, and then you can use the hot water from here. From the screen, you see some products with hot water symbol, some without. When users buy these products, then they can use the hot water from here. If you want to know more information, welcome to contact us. Thank you.